Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to teach AI how help us to write the programming code very easily and efficient way. Uh, I'll be teach step by step process. So I'm going to open up the ChatGPT. So click new chat. This is a new chat. Now there is you have got the task which is a FAQ section. So I'm going to the FAQ section. The FAQ section means this. You have to implement this section into your website. This kind of FAQ section. So now, earlier what you're going to do is you have to go over here, go to the code pen. This is the best website. We are getting the codes. So online editor, you can click on it. So here you have to write the FAQ. So you have to write here. We write FAQ. Press enter key. These are the FAQ sections. You can see this is FAQ section. So this FAQ section, we can here we have to copy this code and we have to generate it into our HTML page. Simply, if you want a FAQ section, okay, simply this there. So here now what you are going to do is I want to the same FAQ section. I want to do a nice type. I have to enhance the styling part. Okay, I have to enhance the styling part. Okay, nicely. Okay, so visually we have to enhance the styling part. So how to enhance the styling? So it's very simple. You have to open up the ChatGPT. You have to put the prompt which is act as a world best HTML, CSS, JavaScript developer. Okay, here is the code snipped. I need you to enhance visually nice nicely. So now what you are going to do is here snip. Okay, so here you have to colon, you have to provide the code over this code. This code I'm going to this HTML part. I just copy it. You can check it here. Copy it. You can paste on it over here. You can write this HTML. Say HTML. You can write the HTML. After that, we need a CSS section. So CSS, but CSS section as a copy the CSS section. You have to put in the CSS section over here. After the JS section, all things you have to implement it over. JS section. So JS section, you have to go over here. It's a JS section. Copy this, put it here, click on here. Now you can see the perfectly good according base, the enhance visually interactive and into the modern premium style and gradient. Okay, so that things based on the prompt you are given, you have write that visually you hear good styling. You have write this one. I need you to enhance a visually nice way. Now let's check it. This is a code for the HTML code. So you can test on it this one where that complete the page design. So you can see just copy this Okay, I'm going to go to open up the, you can test it via the code pen as well. So simply you have to check it out. AI code, HTML, CSS. Yeah. .html. Paste it over here. Now right click, reveal in Explorer. This is the code. You can double click on it. Your save all. That's why it's not working. Now you can see this is your here the same FAQ section here. It is very nicely mannered. This is done. You can see this is the addition there, print the styles and all. So if you want, you can that if you want that using that tailwind section as well, you can tell that. So that I need that one here. Be sure this is the code you are getting, so you can change it, change into this design. You can see this is a as a this mobile response here as well. Here simple design face we are getting. This is how the design is nowadays doing. They are getting the codes and you have to doing the adjustment. They are not doing the code snip from, no one getting doing the code snip from the scratch. They are getting this code snipped and adjustment and doing this like this. Okay, very simple. Okay, very simple and efficient way to do the program. Okay, so now what you're going to do is I'm going to go back again. I need above code you can you not satisfy this design, you can tell them I need above code more beautiful UI design. Okay, the stunning, you can use the give a stunning. Okay, so the FAQ something stunning modern, and you can use this stunning. You can use that kind of a words, or you can include that. You can implement those words to do that things. Okay, so very simply we have to implement the according menu. Let's check it. Now let's file save all. Double click on it. Okay, here it's now it's stunning. Here it's very good. Okay, this is how we have do the things. Okay, now you can see here. This is the design. So how the design is work. You can see here. This is the secret we all the programs are doing. This kind of a design. This is a look, simple look. We have changed this look is a very nice look here. The same look we have a different one. This look we have changed it this kind of here. This is a simple card design. You have to include the card design here. This also the this here. Very simple according. This is the according one if you are putting. It's very attractive. This is the way. This how we have to do the program. So very simple. Here you can see that here. It's very mobile responsive. We have to go to the mobile responsive as well. So everything is fine. Okay, so I hope you guys this video is very helpful to learn AI, how AI help us programs. Thank you for